Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful square pattern under Granny Square series. This is titled as Ciarra and it's a very beautiful pattern worked with 3 colors and it can be used for any projects of our liking. So let us go into the video without much ado. Make a magic ring. Secure it. Now in this magic ring place 12 DCs separated by chain 1 spaces. So 12 DCs and 12 chain 1 spaces at the end of round 1. You can begin the first DC as 3 chains. It's up to you. So I begin with my standing twisted double crochet. Chain 1 and DC 11 more times. So I have done DC, chain 1, DC 11 times. I shall meet you at the end of this round. Come to the end of the round here. Chain 1, slip stitch to the very first stitch under both the loops. This is little dicey because I've done my Now slip stitch into the chain space, and in this chain space you're going to place 3 DC cluster. So the first one half DC incomplete DC, second incomplete DC, and the third incomplete DC, and complete the cluster. Chain 3 cluster in the next chain 1 space, 3 DC cluster. So continue placing. You will have at the end of this round, you will have 12 3 DC clusters and 12 chain 3 spaces. We've come to the end of the round here. I have 3, 6, 9, 12 clusters. Instead of chain 3 and slip stitching, chain 1 and make a half double on the first cluster that we made, so that we bring the chain to the center of the string. And here chain 1, it does not count as a stitch, single crochet, chain 5, single crochet in next chain 3 space, again chain 5, single crochet in every chain 3 space separated by chain 5s. So continue till the end. I shall also complete and get back to you. I've come to the end of round 2. Instead of chaining 3 and slip stitching, chain 1 and make a half double in the first cluster that we made, so that you bring the chain to the center of this chain 3 space. Chain 1, single crochet in the same, chain 5, single crochet in the next, chain 5, single crochet in the next. So complete the stitch pattern in each of the chain 3 spaces, and I'll also complete and get back. I've come to the end of this round here. So I've changed the last chain 5, slip stitch to the first single crochet, join and fasten off the yarn. So this color yarn we have worked with in the center now. With color B, slip stitch into any of the chain 5 spaces, make a double crochet, and pull this, and make 3 more double crochets. This is less than half corner done, because we will be coming back, placing 5 double crochets, chain 2 and a double crochet, and fastening off. So I have 4 double crochets here. The 5th one I'll come back and make here. Chain 1, single crochet in the next chain space, chain 5, single crochet in the next chain space, chain 1. This is going to be another corner, so we're going to place 5 doubles, chain 2, 5 doubles. Yeah, this is the stitch repeat all around. So after the corner, chain 1, single crochet, chain 5, single crochet in the next chain 5 space. So these two chain 5 spaces will have single crochet. Then we come to the corner again, complete the stitch pattern on each of the sides. I shall get back when I complete it. I have come to the end of this round here. Now the center circular motif is getting converted into a square, and we have created 4 corners, and the last corner I have placed my last 5 doubles, chain 2, and 1 more double I need to place to complete the other half corner. Now slip stitch to the first DC and fasten this color off. I shall be back with third color. With color C, slip stitch and join to one of the corners, place a double crochet or chain 3, place 1 more double crochet, chain 2, place 2 double crochets all in the corner. Okay, this is one corner done. Place one double crochet each on each of the next 4 DCs. So this first one will be hidden. Now chain 4, single crochet under next chain 5 space, chain 4, skip this DC and place 1 DC each on each of the 4 DCs. So in the corner, 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. So this is the stitch repeat for this particular round. Complete the stitch repeat. I shall also complete and get back to you. Come to the end of the round here. Now slip stitch to the very first DC. This is really dicey, Baba. Slip stitch into next DC, slip stitch into chain space. For the next round, 2 DC, chain 2, 2 DC in the corner. One DC each on next 4 DCs. Skip the next 2 DC, chain 4, skip 2 single crochet in chain space, chain 4, single crochet in next chain space, chain 4, skip 2 DC, 1 DC each on each of the next 4, and then the corner. The corner 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. So this is the stitch pattern. Repeat the stitch pattern all around, and when you come back, place a DC to complete the corner, slip stitch and fasten off, and cut the yarn. I have come to the end of the row. I had slip stitch, joined and fastened off. Now take color B and join to any of the corners with a slip stitch. Place a single crochet in the same chain space, chain 2, a single crochet again in the chain space. Now 1 single crochet each on each of the 6 doubles, and under chain 4 spaces, 4 singles in each of them. So make 4 singles in each of the chain 4 spaces, no stitches on the single crochets. I shall meet you here. So we've come to this. I have placed 4 singles in each of the chain 4 spaces. Now 1 single in each of the next 6 doubles. And in the corner, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. So this is the stitch repeat for each of the sides here. So place the stitches on all the other 3 sides. I shall meet you where I began in the corner. So I have slip stitched, I placed all single crochet as per the pattern requirement, and I have slip stitch, joined and fastened off. And here we go. This is the Ciarra granny square pattern worked with 3 colors. Hope you enjoyed this video, friends. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel, and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Do like and share them too. Thank you, friends. Have a great day. Bye for now.